Okay. Good morning, everyone. As you can see, the time is now up. That beeping sound means it's ready. So what I usually do, because it's still hot, so it's not too bad. As you can see, it is glistening. It is beautiful. Still a little hot on top, so we're not gonna bother it. Now, I know one thing you do have to do is still, as you can see, it's squishy. Let me actually get some gloves. That's actually how you actually pull the handle up. So just one moment. So I have one glove. I'm gonna try to see if I can one-hand this. I should be able to. Okay, so like this. See, silicone at the bottom. Love these. These are hand-me-downs. This is extremely hot, as you can see. Hold on just one moment. Let me put this down and get this out. Okay, everyone, as you can see, my bread is beautiful. I'm gonna let it actually, and that is the top. That's the only part of it that when it rose and started cooking. So that, I think that's partially my fault, because I actually had to actually add a little bit of, sorry, I'm tired, you guys, trying to get y'all this video out, which I am so proud of myself because I did it. This is hot, you guys. You don't see the steam, but be very, very careful. And actually, normally I unplug this. So see, it's unplugged. Now, if you've never made bread in this, you can leave your bread in it and it will keep it warm after the timer for, I think, 45 minutes to an hour or something like that. Don't quote me, because I always take my bread out and I sit it on my cutting board right here. Now, once I sit it on my cutting board, I do not take it out the baking pan. I know most people do. I don't. I let it completely cool and I put a napkin over it and I let it cool. Normally I have a baking sheet to put it on top, but I think my cutting board should be okay. So I'm gonna let it cool and I'll probably take a nap because I am tired and I've been up cleaning and doing these videos, because by now you should have seen probably 2 or 3, and then I did some snippets just to kind of stay awake so I wouldn't fall asleep. But it's a little smushed in the middle, but it's beautiful. I mean, I think it's beautiful. I don't care. It's mine. And I actually got some melted butter. Some butter I slowly melted in the, well, it's not melted. I put it on 30 seconds and I left it in the microwave, but I think I'm gonna set it out here next to this pan so it can soften up, because that is a good thing. And I got me some milk. I have me some milk. So after I take my nap, well, after I get some rest, I shouldn't say take a nap. After I get some rest and I wake up and slice it. I have a bread knife, and I might just put this on a bread pan. I'm not sure. I think it should be okay, but I don't know. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed these last videos. This is the end product. I'm so sorry it took me so long to do this upload. I know I've been reading all the comments. Everybody wants uploads of how to use this. I think it's beautiful. I don't care what nobody says. I mean, it can't be perfect, but I think I may have put a little bit too much flour in it. But other than that, I'm good. I will be back for another video to show you how it looks when I slice it. Other than that, because I'm saying and I'm exhausted. Have a blessed morning. TGIF to you. Thank God I'm faithful. Hopefully you are too. Blessings 30,000-fold. Be safe and be kind. Love you guys. This is your girl, Keno Jones. Well, Keno. And I'm your stay-at-home cutie. Bye-bye.